Hey, what's up guys? Let's make Malloreddus alla Campidanese, also known as Sardinian Gnocchi with pork ragu. This is Sardinian comfort food at its finest. Let's begin by making the Sardinian pork sausage, which you will not find stateside, so I'm gonna make my own. I'm using some fennel, Aleppo pepper, paprika, and salt. Now we're gonna brown these off into the pan and then break it up with a pastry cutter. Now go ahead and get those San Marzano tomatoes pureed, add a cup of water, and we're gonna saute some onion, bay leaf, saffron threads with pepper and salt to taste. Now you're gonna add in some Calabrian chilies with garlic. You're gonna deglaze with fino sherry and then add in the tomato puree and the Sardinian pork sausage. Stir, add in a little hot honey, salt, pepper to taste, a little bit of olive oil. Let that go 30 minutes. It's a quick sauce. Now you're gonna add your cheese, take it off the heat, season it up to your liking, set it to the side because now we're gonna make the Sardinian Gnocchi, which is gonna have some saffron powder that I've freshly ground, and it's just semola di grano duro. You're gonna roll it together, let it rest, and then we're gonna put it through our cavatelli maker to make our beautiful Sardinian Gnocchi. Now you're gonna go into a boiling pot of water, make sure that it's rolling and salted. You're gonna cook those 3/4 of the way through and then finish them in our beautiful ragu. Toss it, add in some pasta water, season it up to your liking. So yeah, man, after all of this work, it's really just the fundamentals of Italian cooking at this point. Season it up. I like to use MSG in any of my tomato-based or meat-based sauces. And then I'm gonna add some cheese, take it off the heat, plate it on a warm plate, give it a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of pecorino romano, and it's ready to eat.